I'm Dr. Amitabh Wahi, Dean Research and Development from Guru Nanak University, going to teach you about, give the information about the artificial neural networks and its applications. The concept, the question is, what are the artificial neural networks, and what are these applications, and what other type of work it can do, how can be implemented in industries where a lot of manufacturing industries are there, how it can be implemented there to do the work. So now with this concept, first of all, the artificial neural network, the concept has come from the human brain. As the human brain works, the same concept has been taken by the programmers and the mathematician. They simulated the artificial brain on the computers by writing a code program and executed to do a specific task. Now, artificial in the human brain, the day one onwards, when a child is born, the day one onwards, we start giving training to him. That we start saying that he's your father, he's your mother, and his grandfather, he's a grandfather, she's a grandmother. Like that, the objects, it is a crow, this is a cow. All these things we start giving training to the child from the day one itself. So that after 1 year or 2 years, when child starts speaking, he starts recognizing the object. Okay, he is my father, he is a mother, he is my grandfather, she is my grandmother. Like that, child starts speaking. So he starts telling that, okay, it is a crow, this is a cow. Same thing with the artificial neural networks. Here, first thing is that we are going to train the system. After training the system will predict based on the training, that with the test data we used to give to the as an input, and based on this test data, that network which is already trained will predict the result. So this is a simple concept. So one thing is that the artificial neural networks, what is the difference between the artificial neural networks and the human brain? In the human brain, the electronic circuits operate in milliseconds, whereas the electronic circuits in our computers operate in nanoseconds. So in this regard, the matrix multiplication is faster in the human brain compared to the human brain. So artificial system is faster than the human brain. Second thing is that storage capacity. Whatever the desktop, palm top, laptops are there, with a very limited capacity of storage. So, and whenever a new things is added, if there is no memory, if the memory is full, what we have to do? We have to delete the memory and we have to keep that particular information stored. But in the human brain, nothing is like that one. The childhood onward till the last breath, people are gathering, storing, and retrieving the data very quickly, very fast. And another thing is that the artificial system is that whether, suppose I'm sitting on a chair, reading a newspaper, listening to music, having a cup of tea also I'm having. Some person is ringing, doorbell has rang. I am saying to that person, please come inside. He has come inside. So multi-work at one stance I am doing, all these works I am doing. But whether it is possible with the artificial neural network based robotics or not, this is we have to think about that. How, if it can be done, how it can be done.